Hi everyone, and welcome to Friday with Friends, and this is your caboose and your final destination. I hope you've enjoyed your evening so far, and if you've just reached us, be sure to go back and check out each of these artists. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is another marbling day. I thought I would share with you another kit that I got from Blick. And this is a Jacquard Marbling kit. And it's for fabric and paper. And it came with a whole bunch of goodies in here. And I'll put all those goodies, I'll list all those goodies down below. In the meantime, I want to get right with this and start mixing. So you have to mix 2 teaspoons of the carrageenum, and that is the mix that you put your paints on top of. And that's 2 teaspoons with 1 gallon of water. And it says to use a mixer. And I happen to have one that I use just for crafts, and I'm gonna do that. So here's 1 teaspoon, and here's 2 teaspoons. Now this is only 4 cups, but I have the rest of the water over here in a gallon. I think that's enough mixing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this in here now, and I'm going to mix the rest with the okay. Hi everyone, and I'm back, and this is the next day.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our
I
way.
need to take inside and rinse this off. And that, my friends, is something beautiful. There we go. Okay. And stay tuned, because I'll be going for some classes. Actually, by the time you see this, I'll have had my classes already. And next week we'll have something hopefully really amazing for you to see. start another water marbling session here. And I'm going to use some different things that I have. And I have this ribbon that I found in my drawer. Test that out. I'm going to just test one of these little roses that I have. Just curious to see how that's going to work. I have a tile here. And these are some other little roses that I have. I'm going to try just a few of them to see how that works out. So I'm not going to do too much today. This is just a test.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio.
that did not work. Rinsing it off was not the right thing to do. I think these have to be treated. So I'm gonna have to revisit the tiles and see what needs to be done with that. I don't know if they need to be sprayed with the alum. I'm going to spray this with the alum and see if that's, I dried it off. I don't know if that's going to work. I'm going to try this again right here. I think it needs to be sitting in that for a little while. Over here and let that dry, and let's see how that, let me show you. Put that on the side to dry. this now. So I can make a card and I can put those little rosettes on there. Run off right there. Look how beautiful that is. So, put a little rose when I make that card, and that'll be beautiful. Oh, got a few little pieces from this. Just curious with this little piece of ribbon here. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to make a scarf. Look how beautiful that looks. Can you see that? Oh, this is going to be so much fun. I'm going to run in the bathroom and rinse that off. And I definitely need to get myself a little bucket. But in the meantime, oh wow, that's gorgeous. Not sure, but I may have rinsed off paint on that. But we'll see when it dries how it works out. Okay. I think this was a productive little day here. Looking forward to another day of water marbling. Thank you for coming, everyone. What a great day it was. How exciting. Okay, let's clean this up.